Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Hello, I'm Lindsay Jameson. Thanks for joining us. East Central Indiana's opportunity for employment is up. Manpower's quarterly employment survey says 27% of their surveyed companies plan to hire more employees in the next 3 months. That's up 20% from last quarter. The companies plan to increase employment are in construction and non-durable manufacturing and services. Jim Crockett, manager of the Muncie Manpower, says this is the 5th straight quarter with rising numbers.
And things just look really good for East Central Indiana as far as new businesses coming in, new employers that are going to take up some of the slack when some of these other jobs go away. So I'm very encouraged with the local economy and just a near-term outlook. Very encouraged.
More than half of East Central Indiana's businesses plan to keep their workforce the same. 10% plan to reduce payrolls. Slow down on I-69. State police are targeting the Redkey area between mile markers 32 and 72. Due to increased levels of traffic and poor driving on the interstate, troopers are looking for seatbelt violations, reckless driving, tailgating, and speeding. Police say their job is to enforce the laws and keep the roads safe, and that's exactly what they're going to do.
You know, we've been proactive, and that's educating the public, trying to get them to slow down visibility, but now we're going to be reactive. And reactive means when you see those red and blue lights in your rearview mirror, that's when you're going to get a ticket.
In the last 2 years, there have been 448 crashes in the Redkey stretch of I-69. 112 people have been hurt and 5 have died. The White House has good news for military families. Newslink Indiana's Jamie Jones explains how military parents can receive free daycare.
This may look like an ordinary daycare center, but Great Kids Daycare is offering a special service.
I have 2 military families here at the time. And they are really grateful and thankful.
Nellie Jones just got back from Washington, D.C., where she learned about a program the president and his wife are sponsoring. Free daycare to children of military families.
Well, just knowing that you're doing something to help another child and help a family, especially the military families, it's a great thing to know that you are accomplishing that. And those families do not have to worry about their children because somebody is there to support them and support the children.
Michelle Freed is one of Great Kids' first free customers. To her, the program is a blessing.
I'm going to be able to continue going to school. I'm not going to have to withdraw and then have to pay back loans before I can get my degree for when he actually is in school full time.
The real winner is Freed's 5-year-old son, Carl.
But he's never really had a lot of interactions with other kids his own age, and I think that's the most beneficial thing to him.
In Muncie, Jamie Jones, Newslink, Indiana.
Military parents can fill out a form at the Great Kids Daycare to apply for the service. Call the center at 765-282-2339. Trying to get kids to be healthy is a hard thing to do. Newslink Indiana's Aaron Schweitzer explains how a Hartford City school saw results.
Northside Elementary School thought the annual Governor's Fitness Challenge was a slam dunk.
Everybody has a chance to be lucky, and I guess we were the one that got lucky.
I didn't really expect it because we're a really small county, but we worked hard at it and we achieved our goal.
As a reward, Coretta Brown and assistant coach Julie Plank from the Indiana Fever hosted a fitness clinic at the school.
Oh, I definitely think it's a good program. You know, it's encouraging the kids to stay fit, you know, and eat the right thing, and it's going to help them out in the long run.
The students got to play fitness games like plunk, land, air, and sea, and some relay team games, and the kids got a little sweaty. Northside was chosen because of its 100% participation in the 9-week fitness challenge. Phys ed teacher Travis Coles came up with his own fitness program for the kids.
I had them rating their progress on things like leg lifts, push-ups, sit-ups, and timed jogs.
He said the kids needed a little incentive.
With the whole prize thing, it gave the kids something to work toward, so it made it easier for me to say, you know, let's get excited about this, let's do it.
Coles thinks this was a good program.
They made a lot of improvements.
He hopes the students will continue being active beyond the program. In Hartford City, Aaron Schweitzer, Newslink, Indiana.
If the state continues the program, Coach says he might participate every other year. The Muncie Central boys basketball team is only 2 games away from being the 4A state champs. The team heads to semi-state Saturday with 7 seniors that have not only played together, but grown up together. Many of them have been on the same team since the 6th grade. First-time head coach Matt Fine will lead the Bearcats against Gary West, the final obstacle before the finals. Tickets for Saturday's semi-state game at Lafayette Jeff High School are at sale at Central High School. Jennifer Cook joins us now with weather. Jennifer, it was cold again today. Is it ever going to warm up?
I know it has been cold the past couple of days. When we take a look at our almanac, you can see we are 8 degrees below the average for this time of year. Today with our high at 40 degrees, our low 24, 5 degrees once again below. So we will be seeing colder, we have been seeing colder air, but the days do continue to get longer. Check out that sunrise, 6:53 a.m., sunset, 6:49 p.m. Take a look at our almanac picture. You can see high pressure system is going to control our weather pattern for Tuesday night into Wednesday and also into Thursday, keeping mild air in the forecast through Indiana and also blocking a weather system up to the north and one to the south, keeping our skies clear for the day on Wednesday and for the day on Thursday. Then we're going to see the high pressure system begin to move out. Friday we're going to see high clouds begin to move in, so those clouds are going to increase. Then we're going to see this weather system up to the northwest move in Friday evening and for the day on Saturday. But I have a little bit of good news for you. Take a look at our jet stream. You can see we're going to be on the edge of this southern flow, so we will be seeing more mild temperature throughout the next couple days. Looks like this cold air is going to be moving in our area. Actually, it's going to remain stationary in the Great Plains throughout the next couple of days, and we're not going to see it move in to the early part of next week. So with spring starting on Sunday, it's not going to feel very much like spring beginning on Monday and Tuesday when the cold air does begin to move into our area. But for Tuesday night, partly cloudy skies, low 23, so we're going to continue to see chilly conditions. Tomorrow morning, another chilly conditions with 25. The winds will be calm and the sun will be out. But then later, we're going to begin to see that more mild air move up into our area. We're going to see our high at 44 degrees, east winds at 4 to 7 miles per hour. Check out the 5-day forecast that we're almost getting near the average for this time of year. 46 on Thursday, 47 Friday, although the clouds will begin to increase. We're going to see some precipitation move into our area Friday night into Saturday. A little bit of a cool down for Saturday, but then the sun's going to come back out on Sunday. We're going to see a high of 47, but then it looks like we're going to see our temperatures drop for the beginning part of the week. So spring starting on Sunday, it's not really going to feel like spring.
Oh, but at least we'll have some warm temperatures for a few days.
For a few days, and hopefully it'll be our last blast of cold air.
Look at it. Thank you, Jennifer. Hundreds of children in the Muncie school system got a chance to visit the Delaware County Fairgrounds, but as Newslink Indiana's Michael Chamberlain explains, the fair they visited was a little different from the popcorn and rides you might expect.
Herds of Muncie children flocked into the Delaware County Fairgrounds in search of the true farm experience. From professional sheep shearing to cow milking, the 27th annual Farm Festival gives children a chance to learn what farmers do. Kevin Adams is a former chairperson of the Farm Festival. Adams says that the event is designed for younger children.
I think it's really important because a lot of kids just coming through here, you see that they don't have any idea where their food comes from.
Ron Orbaugh has been involved with the festival for 27 years as a member of its marketing team. He likes to bring a bit of country to the city.
In today's world, this is one of the few times that kids or adults even now get a chance to touch agriculture, get a chance to learn about agriculture.
But not all the animals here at the Farm Festival are used for livestock. Groups such as the Delaware County Rabbit Club bring animals out just for show. The festival is not just a fair. It's a chance for children and adults to get their hands a little dirty. In Muncie, Michael Chamberlain, Newslink, Indiana.
The festival continues through Wednesday. Doors open at 8:30 a.m. The festival closes at 8 p.m. Admission is free. And that's Newslink Indiana. For Jennifer Cook, I'm Lindsay Jameson. Join us Wednesday for more news at newslinkindiana.com.